What is up mga mahilig sa mga? This is your boy Armin and welcome back again here sa Amoy Piranyan. We're going to test for today's episode and giving you our honest opinion about Turati Blue Electric from Afnan and Legacy Royal Collection by, anong brand to, Boss Terence?
Maison Asrar.
Maison Asrar. And do a side-by-side kung ano ba talaga mas malapit sa Blue Talisman. By the way, this is Boss Terence. And please introduce yourself, Boss Terence.
Good morning, Fragrance family.
So, mahilig din siya sa mga pabango. He's been already influenced and dumarating sa point na talagang nabubudol na siya. At ayan, nakikita niyo naman. This is from his collection and we're going to give you our honest feedback about sa itong scent na to. Kung ano ba talaga mas malapit sa Blue Talisman ng Ex Nihilo. Let's get started. How about you, Boss Terence? Ano sa tingin mo, how does it perform pag ini-initial spray mo si Turati Electric and si Legacy Royal Collection?
Bali si Turati Electric for me, it opens up very bright, very citrusy. Mas nag-emphasize siya sa fruity aspect ng Blue Talisman. As in, I see this as parang mas very youthful.
Okay.
Mas bagay sa mga younger gen.
Okay.
Well, any age can rock this, no?
Oo. For me naman, ito naman, tong si Turati Blue, it's more on citrusy na may pagka-soapy, but hindi siya ganun parang malapit sa opening ng Blue Talisman by Ex Nihilo. Pero sa dry down niya, trying to get that parang yung pagka-akigala with peppery touches niya na hindi makuha, trying to be pero hindi pa rin eh. So, hindi niya masyado makuha yung pagka Ex Nihilo Blue Talisman. So, I would say na parang it's may sarili silang twist itong Afnan na to. And going back to the Legacy Royal Collection.
For me, Legacy naman, when you're talking about yung parang closer to the OG, I think this is closer, no? Yung opening niya, yung parang dry down, lalo na sa dry down, parang it really gets freakingly close.
Sobrang freakingly close. Like, ilang beses na namin to test it out and grabe yung talagang initial 10 minutes, no? Or mga 8 minutes lang. Kailangan mo lang talaga maging patient. Diyan pumapasok yun na hindi mo kailangan talagang to judge the perfume from the start pa lang. Magkaroon ka ng patience, hintayin mo lang yung talagang mahabang pasensya, no, Boss Terence? Then once it hits the after 8 minutes mark or 10 minutes mark or more than 10 minutes mark, dun na magsashine na magugulat sila na talagang sobrang close, no?
Yes, very close.
Iba yung may pagka-peppery kasi tong Legacy Royal Collection. These two, they cannot get the exact Akigala wood. Hindi ko alam kung gumamit sila dito ng Akigala wood kasi ang Akigala wood may trademark ang Givaudan yan eh. Yung mga perfumers lang ng Givaudan gumagamit yan. But hindi nila makuha yung pagka-Akigala wood ng itong Blue Talisman. Hindi talaga. Pero yung Blue Talisman na yan, iba yung Akigala wood niya. They just use, I think maybe they use a synthetic pepper note na trying to parang to copy the exact Akigala wood ng Blue Talisman. But overall, sobrang delikado talaga tong pabango na to. Like if ilapit mo, I would say mga 92%, masama din kasi magbigay ng percentage, no?
Yes.
But I would say mga 92, 93 closer. If siguro meron na silang Akigala wood ingredient, you don't need this anymore. Just go get this one. Kuhang-kuha na yung pagka-Akigala wood. But they just use parang pepper na trying to be para makuha yung pagka-Akigala wood nito. May pagka-peppery touch siya, tapos may pagka-fruity pear na may pagka-creamy nuances. Everything after 8 to 10 minutes, nakukuha na siya talaga yung kaluluwa nito, which is the fruity pear na may pagka-creamy vanilla, Akigala wood, peppery touch, na may pagka-soapiness din to, no? Itong Blue Talisman, no, Boss Terence?
A bit, yeah.
A bit, no? But this is super close. I'm not exaggerating. How much ang price ito, Boss Terence?
I got it around 2,500.
2,500. 100 ml, no? 100 ml. So, if you want really close to Blue Talisman Ex Nihilo, you go get this one. Pero itong si Turati Electric, Hindi masyado eh. Pwede na siya pang araw. It's like a soapy. May sarili siyang twist. Nandun yung konting DNA ng ex ni Hilo, but it's just a soapy version lang to. Okay? Pero ikaw ba, anong sa tingin mo sa Blue Talisman, itong legacy?
Well, kasi Blue Talisman and ito, I think this is the more mature version eh.
Oo, mature version.
Mas social yung dating eh.
Sobrang social.
Oo. I mean,
Very, parang talagang mayaman na may pinagdaanan na.
Daytime, nighttime,
Oo.
dress up,
Yeah.
dress down. Okay to eh.
Pwede na siya mainit, di ba?
Yeah.
Perfect for
This
hot
one,
weather din.
I really think it's more of a casual fragrance eh.
Parang pwede pang
Pang
errands
gym,
lang, no?
pang school,
Oo.
pang work.
I
Yung
see.
di ka na mag-isip,
Yeah.
mas pwede mo araw-arawin. Pero this is for me more sophisticated.
Sobrang
This
ganda
one.
ng dating eh.
Yeah.
Ibang-iba eh. Kuhang-kuha na niya yung kaluluwa niya eh. I wish they amped up the pepper note dito sa Legacy, but kuhang-kuha na niya eh. You don't need anymore. Talagang sa mga bibili nito, trust me, this is the closest alternative nito. Okay? So, if may mga lalabas pa mga ibang alternatives out dyan, baka mas gandahan pa nila at mas malupit pa nila rather than this one. But so far, this is the best so far. How many hours ang longevity ng Legacy sa'yo, Boss Terence, compare sa ex ni Hilo Blue Talisman?
Actually, pareho silang long-lasting eh. I would say 6 to 7 at least.
6 to 7,
At
pushing.
least, yes.
Do you find it parang may pagka-molecular ba silang dalawa? Itong Turati Blue Electric and Legacy?
I think more on sa legacy ko siya nakikita.
Yung pagka-molecular
Yes.
niya na parang sumasayaw sa hangin.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes you can smell it, sometimes you can smell it. Okay, while si Turati Electric naman,
Very constant lang
constant
siya.
lang.
Oo.
It's just
For me.
parang, may pagka-linear ba siya? Or pero may konting transition sa akin eh. For you, linear or may transition?
This, I can smell myself throughout the day eh.
Oh.
This one, minsan nawawala eh. Minsan naamoy, minsan nawawala.
Sa damit, mas matagal ba?
Yes, definitely.
Mas matagal daw sa damit.
Definitely.
Although ako hindi ko pa natetest yung full wear ito, we're just giving you our final verdict. So the longevity on this one, I will just comment here. After siguro mga 2 days, I will give you my honest feedback through the comment section. Comment down below if do you love ex ni Hilo Blue Talisman but you cannot afford it, you would rather pick Middle Eastern fragrance which are the dupes of this one. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried ito. If bibili kayo ng ex ni Hilo Blue Talisman, save up your money, just go get this one instead, Legacy Royal Collection. And if you just want parang may, nandun lang yung pagkakaluluwa, yung parang I would say shadow ni Blue Talisman. no?
DNA, parang
Konting
ganun.
DNA, you go with this one after ng Turati Blue. Turati Electric. Hindi niya kuha, but ito, mas malapit. Sobrang close. Delikado talaga. So, I would like to congratulate sa itong brand na to. Anong name ng brand na to?
Maison Asrar.
Maison Asra, congratulations. You did a really good job on copying ex ni Hilo Blue Talisman. That's it. So, hopefully na-enjoy nyo itong review namin about sa legacy comparison about Blue Talisman clones. Till next time, Fragrance Family, hopefully na-enjoy nyo ito. Like, comment, follow, and let me know in the comment section din kung what is the next fragrance you want us to compare. Anong gusto nyo? Love you all. Any inputs?
Follow me, Aude Terence.
Follow Boss Terence on TikTok. And till next time, love you all. Huwag natin kalimutan na lagi magpabango para sa sarili natin, hindi para sa ibang tao. Love you all. Till next time. Mwah!